Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we do a fresh raw tomato sauce, and this time we're using it with a pasta dish. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you how we do our garden fresh raw tomato sauce. But first, if you like, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or join us on Facebook or other social media channels. And we will publish a written recipe on our Facebook page. On our Facebook page, you'll find many ideas and different recipes for you. So join us. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so what we're gonna need is chopped fresh tomatoes, chopped fine onions, chopped garlic, chopped red sweet peppers, finely chopped parsley, and for garnish we're gonna need some fresh basil, and of course we're gonna need some good olive oil, fresh ground pepper, salt, and maybe some red crushed pepper. Okay, we add the olive oil, and when the oil is hot enough, we add the chopped onions. We add a little bit of salt to the onion to help it brown faster. And we saute the onions until it becomes translucent and a little bit brownish. So after we have our onions a little brownish, we add our chopped garlic, and we mix everything nice together for about a minute or two for the garlic to get soft. Now the onion and the garlic are nice and soft. We add our sweet chopped peppers and we saute it for 2-3 minutes until it gets nice and soft. Okay, so when our concoction is ready, we add the tomatoes now, the fresh tomatoes. And when we add the tomato, we just saute it for about half a minute only, just to warm it up. That's it. Then we add the fresh parsley. And we stir everything together. And this will be our fresh raw tomato sauce. Today we're using this sauce over pasta, but this sauce you could use it with any dish you like, over rice, pizza, whatever you like. And after we shut off the heat, we season our sauce with salt and pepper and crushed red pepper if you like. That's an option. Okay, we draining the pasta now. Okay, now we season our pasta first with a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. And we mix everything together, the salt, pepper, olive oil, and then we add our sauce. Now we add our seasoned pasta to our sauce, and we mix everything nicely together. Here we are. This is our pasta dish. We garnish it with some basil, and we'll add some of our grated cheese. Okay guys, I hope you try it and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe and to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Okay, bye for now.